Alright, this was gonna be a short one, but I'm gonna be making these fried rolls that look like cigarettes, but they're not cigarettes in actuality. They're just, you know, rolls. Don't smoke, please. Alright, for the love of your health, don't. So here's how I made it. First of all, in a bowl I took 300 grams of quark and cracked in one egg, and then I just mixed up the egg with the quark together, because that's what you have to do for the this is the entire mixture. Now you can actually use pork, ham, or I'm sorry, not pork, chicken or pork, bacon or ham if you want, or actual any other kind of cheeses what you want. Doesn't matter, but this is my way, so that's how I'm making it. In a cup I just added a little bit of oil and sparkling water, because the normal fuzzy or sparkling water actually just helps the make the pie sheets stick together. Now what are pie sheets? Well, you'll see in a moment. So I just pour in sparkling water and mixed it up with oil and mix it together, because that's gonna be the glue for this one. So now I took the pie sheets, which are, you know, like kind of like this thin, and I applied the water and oil mixture together on the entire sheet. Now these sheets are like too thin, and you can even find them in the store if you can, but whenever you can, they're pretty much like this. So I coated the entire sheet with the entire water, and then I applied another sheet like this, and then coated the entire sheet with water and oil as I did, like the other one. However, you will actually run out of water and oil, so do periodically refill it every time whenever that happens. So just coat it like this, which like I did over here in this example. After that, what I did, I just grabbed one corner of the sheet and folded it into a slightly off triangle like this, so it can be one half of a triangle. And then I just coat the entire thing with water and oil like the other one. And then I grabbed the other corner and I flipped it like a full triangle like this. You should always flip it half before full, and then coat the entire triangle with the same, you know, water and oil mixture that we did. And once it's coated on the bottom, make sure it's at the center, slightly above it. Add the mixture, which I had the quark and egg mixture, which that's what I'm going to add in this example. Whatever you choose to add won't make much of a difference in the technique procedure. So just add it above the center. Make sure it doesn't reach the corners or it goes outside the center area. And then you want to flip both the right and the left side of the triangle, and then you start from the bottom, carefully rolling it up. At the end, make sure to coat it with the same water mixture as before, and that's how you should make the rolls. That's how the rolls are actually made, and I just made a bunch of them because I had plenty of those pie sheets that I just explained. And then you just want to fry it in on high heat in some oil, and that's about it. They will end up being crispy and they'll taste nice, depending on what you chose to add. And that's about it for this one.